It's Breast and Liver Cancer Awareness Month, but with national awareness and education comes yearly.
And just recently, 2 Kansas State professors have done groundbreaking research that could change the world of medicine. Reporters Dawn Bolerjack and Shelby Danielson sat with them to learn about their new research. Dawn, Shelby, tell us what you found.
Thanks, Brooke. Last week, we spoke to researchers Daryl Troyer and Stefan Bossman, both who are doing some revolutionary research that could help push the race to cure cancer.
They told us what the process was in getting the results that they needed and how it will be effective for our society as well.
Typical cancer-related enzymes, and so this thing is completely dark as long as you don't have enzyme activity.
Obviously, this science is complicated, but researchers Daryl Troyer and Stefan Bossman, along with their lab assistants, have created a test that could help get one step closer to preventing and understanding breast and lung cancer.
We could easily save about 50% of the mortalities if we would be able to discover cancer early.
According to Kansas State's Communications and Marketing, Troyer and Bossman's team recently received more than $300,000 in funding for the project.
The original idea was to design a test which costs not more than $100. If you have a routine test costing $5 million, it's worthless. That's true in this economy and for America. It's also true for the rest of the world.
This test they developed has the ability to detect early signs of breast and lung cancer by testing the patient's blood. It is anticipated that this test will take about 5 minutes once administered.
It's a good idea to try to push for new analysis methods and then alert patients much earlier at times where things can be done.
Dr. Bossman told us that the Nanoscale Corporation in Manhattan, Kansas has purchased the patent rights. And he said if things go well, then the test should be available in about 5 years.
They are also in the process of creating a similar test for pancreatic cancer. Once available to the public, the tests are estimated to cost a mere $100. Brooke, Dan, this is a small price to pay to save a life.
Thanks, Dawn and Shelby. And with that story on cancer research, we bring in Channel 8's own Jonathan Stebb, who is a cancer survivor himself.
Jonathan, tell us a little bit about your experience and maybe the treatment you received with cancer.
I was diagnosed when I was 17.